Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. So, guys, this is day two of my 20 days English speaking challenge, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to start learning this language. So, this video is like whoever start learning English, whoever beginner. So, this video is for them, and before I start this video, I want to let me tell you something. Uh, if you are a new here, so I want to tell you that I'm Archana, and here I'm just a learner, and here I upload video, I make a video, and here I just talk about English. This here I just talk about relative English, how we can improve our English, and what I do to improve my English. So that's all about my YouTube channel. So now let's talk about main topic. So in this video I'm going to give you 6 steps to learn this language. So if you are a learner, if you are just starting this language, or if you are a learning English for long time and you are still not improving English how much you deserve, so this video is for you. And watch this video up to the very end. By the end this video you will know that exactly what should you do to learn this language. So without wasting time, let's dive in whatever I'm going to talk about this in this video. So I've just learned from my own journey, from my own experience. So, and guys, I'm making video especially I'm the main purpose to make this video because I live in village side, and here nobody to tell me that uh, you know what should you do exactly to learn this language. Here nobody to tell me guide, here nobody to guide me like how to learn this language. Then initial days of this journey, I used to make lots of mistake. you know uh, I'm learning English, but sorry, I was learning English, but I was learning English from wrong approach, and because of that it will take long time, and because of that sometimes I got frustrated. Sometimes I felt like I won't learn this language, this is not for me. But guys, English is a skill, and anyone can learn this language. Anyone can learn this skill. So now let's dive in. Let's talk about the main topic. So the first thing you should do is reading. Reading is the most important part of learning this language. So if you are just starting learning this language, then I would tell you that try to read something simple, like a kid story, simple articles, so that they will help you a lot to improve your English. And one more thing, whenever you're reading book, so at the time just try to read book out loud. It can help you a lot to improve your pronunciation, accent, and it can also help you to enhance your vocabulary. Now let's talk about uh, grammar rule. Yeah, which is very important to learn this language. And but here's some myth. We thought that when if we have to learn this language, then we have to just dive in grammar rule. But here is the reality. You have to learn basic grammar rule, like basic grammar structure, simple tense, future tense, tense, and modals, and that's it. And whatever you're learning, like first of all I want to tell you that if you don't have money, so don't worry. you can learn grammar rule from YouTube. I'm also learning grammar rule from YouTube, and I'm still, yeah, I want to tell you that I'm still learning grammar rule. And like whatever you're learning, just try to use them in your daily life. That's how your English will improve. Now let's talk about small phrases. So, if you are starting learning this language, then I would tell you, or you're a beginner, so try to memorize simple phrases like uh, have a seat, take it easy, wait a minute. These kind of phrases will help you a lot to improve your English, will help you a lot to speak English. And not, you don't have to memorize lots of phrases a day. You just have to memorize only 5 phrases a day, and that's it. And the most important thing is you have to use them in your daily life. You don't have to just memorize them, you have to use them while you're speaking your native language. Then you can also use them. Now let's talk about vocabulary. This is very important. Like, as you know, without vocabulary we cannot speak English, we cannot communicate in English. So vocabulary is very very sufficient, very significant. So I would tell you, you don't have to memorize a lots of words. You just have to memorize only 5 words. And you and I again I tell you that try to not just memorize vocabularies or phrases or grammar rule. Just try to use them in your life. Just try to use them in your daily life. That's how your English will improve. That's how you will speak English confidently and fluently. And the next, writing, which is very important thing. Writing is like when you write something, then it will help you organize your thoughts. Writing is very important. And like whatever you're doing a day, just try to write in English. Like, today I've woken up around 5 o'clock. After that, I've drunk a glass of water. So like this, you can just write down about your daily routine, about your study, about your English journey. And last thing, and which is very very important, without it everything is not work, and which is practice. Practice will help you a lot to improve your English. Without practice you cannot speak English, you cannot communicate. So the real problem is I don't have anyone, so how I practice my English? So guys, if I talk about myself, so here nobody to here I don't have anyone to practice with them. I just talk to myself. And I also do mirror practice, I record myself. And I use I talk with ChatGPT, Gemini. So you can also do that. Tip will help you a lot to practice. And how to start practice. Like, whatever you will see surround you, just try to, you're not able to make completely sentence, so just try to see them name in English. Or if you are able to speak simple English, then try to describe in English about your day, about your daily routine, about your study. So guys, these are things you should must do to learn this language. So when I've started learning this language, then as I told you before, that I don't have anyone to tell me that you should you should do this particular thing to learn this language. So I've learned just whatever I've learned from my experience, from my own journey, then that I will help you. And I don't want you to make this kind of mistake. I don't want you to struggle or faced this kind of uh, like situation. Like I as I told you before that lots of people are able to understand English, but when it's come to speak English, their mind goes blank. They could not speak in English. And some people are learning English from long time and they still struggling to speak English. So guys, if you are consistently follow these tips, then you will not face this kind of situation. So I hope it was help you. So if you like this video, so please guys like this video and subscribe this channel for this kind of video. And let me know in the comment if you like this video and what kind of situation you are facing right now. So I'll meet you in my next video very soon. So bye.